How to turn off family-friendly mode in Clash of Clans. Now, first things first, for you to be able to have no problems in the future, you'll have to make sure first that you're currently running with the latest version of COC or Clash of Clans. Now, just head directly to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and look for Clash of Clans, and then you will be able to know if your COC needs an updating because there is going to be an update button that's going to be visible there. So all I have to do is just to tap on update and it will automatically install updates to the latest version by itself. Now let's head directly into the tutorial. For you to be able to turn off family friendly mode, all you have to do is to tap on your current profile or on your clan castle. And from here, just go to your profile and here you'll be able to see four options at the top, which is going to be my profile, my clan, clans, and social. Now just head directly to clans and then press on search options. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to know only family-friendly clans option. So it's actually chat language, clan location, and then only friendly clans. Now, for you to be able to turn it off, just simply tap on that and it will switch to red. So it's actually from green to red, which means that this is already turned off. So yeah, that's it. That's how you turn off family-friendly mode in Clash of Clans.